Hello everybody out there and welcome back to the RostyMaths channel and welcome back to this lovely ratio video that I've got lined up for you today. Now this one's a good one. It stumps a lot of students and knock them off their trail when they are doing ratio questions. So what's this all about? This is called difference between ratios, and the reason why it's called that is because what you will be given is a ratio, and then in the ratio you will be given how much more someone gets, and you need to use that information to then work out what each part of the ratio is and then really work out the actual amount that people got. Okay, so right before you now you can see the question that we are going to consider for today, and the question says Fran and her brother Ken shared some money in a ratio of 3:5. Let's point out some important information here. Clearly, they are not receiving the same amount of money here because Fran is getting 3 parts of the money and Ken is getting 5 parts of the money. Ken receives £30 more than Fran, so we don't actually know how much money was shared. We just know how much extra money Ken got. So let's just line up a few bits and pieces here now. So we've got Fran and we've got Ken. They have a ratio of 3:5 that they're sharing together. And I want to draw some boxes to show you something really cool here. So Fran receives 3 parts of the ratio, whereas Ken receives 5 parts of the ratio. So I'm going to draw the extra 2 down there. So he receives 5 parts of the ratio. So up until this point they had the same amount of money, and then after that Ken got more money. Now let's go back and see what he's got then. So he's got £30 more. So I'm going to say to you now that the extra 2 pieces that he's got in his ratio, that represents the extra £30 he's got, and that we're going to use to work out what each part of the ratio represent. So if these 2 pieces here are representing your £30, then I can use that information to work out what 1 piece is. So I'm going to say that each part of the ratio is going to be £30 divided by 2. So each part of the ratio represents £15. And now that I know that each part represents £15, solving the question is now dead easy, because how much does Fran get? Well, Fran had 3 parts of the ratio, so therefore Fran will get 3 times 15, which is going to be £45. How much does Ken receive? Well, Ken receives 5 times that amount, or I can just take the £45 and add another 30 to that. So therefore Ken, he gets, well, that 45 plus the extra 30 he's got, so he's got £75. And then how much money did they share all together? All you now need to do is add these 2 together. Will now equal to that 45 add the 75, which is going to be £120 they shared all together. And that's it, guys. Did you get it? If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe below and also hit that notification bell so you will not miss another upload. That's the end of this video for now though. Until I see you on the next one, peace.